Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I am Tabishi, your girl next door. So hi guys, I know it's been a long time and I was just missing from YouTube, but I have had my personal reasons, so that's why. Anyway, I don't want to really talk about that right now, and I just want to quickly jump onto the reason why I'm like filming this video today. And the reason is that I have brought like a huge change in my skincare routine. I know it's difficult to bring in changes in your skincare routines, and I know how challenging it was for me too, but I think it was much needed. And it happened to me when I actually met a dermat, because I was facing a lot of skin issues, and I figured out that trying out a lot of, because it was my passion, right? I used to just buy random products and try it out on my face, and I used to love doing that, but that took a toll on my skin, and I just randomly went to a dermat to just get it checked, and she asked me a question that everybody asks, and I think everyone is guilty of, if not everyone, I think most of us are, and that is, do you use SPF? And I was like, no, I want to, but I don't. So I have always wanted to use an SPF, but the reason that I could never get to that was that I was not able to find a perfect SPF for myself. I used to feel very sticky. मैंने बहुत सारे SPFs try किए हैं, पर मुझे किसी भी SPF को लगाने के बाद ना, मेरे पास इतना मतलब पेशेंस नहीं था ऑनेस्टली कि मैं मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाने के बाद इतना वेट करूँ कि मैं SPF लगाऊँ, एंड देन उसके बाद मैं वाइट कास्ट से डील करूँ, तो मैं स्किप कर देती थी. आई वॉज लाइक कि आई डोंट रियली यूज SPF, आई ट्राई यूजिंग मेकअप विच हैज़ SPF, एंड शी laughed it out. Of course she did. So that's when my journey of SPF started, and I kid you not, it makes a difference. It makes a huge difference. This video is all about the perfect SPF that I have found. My dermat actually introduced this to me, and then I was lucky enough that I got to collaborate with them, right? And I am talking about UV Doux, right? So I'm talking about a sunscreen which is suggested by a dermat, but it's also available on Amazon, which is great because you don't really have to go to a medical store to get through it. Okay, so I think I don't want to talk about how great SPF is and whether or not you should use an SPF, because I think उसके बारे में तो बहुत वीडियोज़ हैं और हम सबको पता है कि SPF बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. लेकिन मैं जो फेस कर रही थी ना चैलेंज, मैं उसको मतलब एड्रेस करना चाहती हूँ. एंड द चैलेंज वॉज कि मैं चाहती थी, आई वॉन्टेड टू यूज़ एन SPF, but I was not really finding the one with the best texture, and I wasn't really finding something that was suiting my skin, and almost every other SPF gave me a white cast. So that was the reason that I wasn't using it. Now I do want to let you know that I have found the perfect SPF for myself, and you can try it out, and that one is UV Doux. You can see I have two different kind of tubes with me right now. This one is the UV Doux Gold, okay, and this is also a silicone sunscreen gel, and this is a normal UV Doux, right? And this is also silicone sunscreen gel. So the texture, when it says it's silicone based, right, the texture is amazing. It leaves no white cast whatsoever, and that was the reason that I fell in love with it. UV Doux is the one that my dermat suggested, and that is why the tube is in this condition right now. She suggested this to me, and I was using it for the past 3 months, I would say. This is my second tube. The first one was इसके 3 varieties आते हैं. एक तो UV Doux Blue है, जो she said कि अगर with the weather is not very strong, for example I live in Bangalore, तो Bangalore के लिए that's good enough. But if you're going somewhere where the sun is going to be very strong, you have to use either of these. The blue one is not good enough for areas which has extremely heat conditions. So I went for this, the gold one. This is the tube that I have received as a gift from the brand, and this is how the outer packaging looks like, right? So it's a pretty plain packaging, and I don't really want to waste time on talking about this, but what I want to mention is this one is suitable for all skin types. एंड इसका टेक्सचर बहुत अमेजिंग है, राइट? तो मैं ये थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट लेकर के आई विल शो इट टू यू गाइज. तो दिस इज़ हाउ द प्रोडक्ट, लाइक यू नो सिलिकॉन पेस्ट है तो ऐसा लगता है. तो थोड़ा सा ना व्हेन यू अप्लाई इट योर स्किन फील्स अ लिटिल स्लिपरी काइंड. तो आई लाइक दैट फिनिश ऑल्सो. और ये बहुत मैट है तो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट द फैक्ट कि मतलब स्टिकी सा हो जाएगा स्किन, जो मेरे साथ हमेशा होता था SPF के साथ. बाय द वे अगेन ये मैट है बट मेरी स्किन बहुत ड्राई है, लेकिन फिर भी ये मुझे ड्राई आउट नहीं करता है. तो आई लव, मतलब मैं ये लगा के ना मेरा स्किन बहुत अच्छा फील करता है, ड्राई नहीं करता है और मैं स्टिकी भी फील नहीं करती हूँ और मुझे कोई चैलेंजेस नहीं आते, कोई वाइट कास्ट नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज़ द प्रोडक्ट. नाउ इफ आई टेक इट हियर तुरंत ये अब्जॉर्व हो जाएगा. थोड़ा सा बस यू हैव टू मेहनत करना है, ठीक है? और ऐसे यू विल पुट इट ना, सी आपको कोई वाइट कास्ट नहीं दिखेगा, कोई वाइट कास्ट नहीं होता है, इमीडिएटली बिल्कुल अब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. I love that about this. The silicone base is probably the winner for this product, and the smell is also very soothing. It's not fragrance free. There is some smell, but I love it. Okay, I love this product, and ये also water resistant है by the way. तो ये वाला जो टेक्सचर था वो UV Doux Gold का था, and this is the UV Doux Normal. I think this one is priced a little cheaper. This is on a little cheaper side. I don't remember the price exactly. I'll put that in the description box below. It's around 700ish and this one is around 900ish if I'm not wrong. तो ये UV Doux थोड़ा ज़्यादा stronger है ऐसा उन्होंने बोला था मुझे, इसलिए I went in for that. ये भी सिलिकॉन बेस्ड है और ये भी वाटर रेजिस्टेंट है. So you don't have to worry about कि मतलब इन दोनों में ये क्या डिफरेंस है. गोल्ड वाला I think just a little bit more stronger. I think that's all about it. So if you take this out, very similar texture honestly, and again all you have to do is just mix it nicely, right, and it will blend. Done. So it's that simple, and I think if you really go for this product you will know कि सनस्क्रीन का टेक्सचर फाइंड करने का जो चैलेंज है वो कैसे towards the end आ गया है, right? So yeah, that is the USP of this product. Like I mean sunscreen, I think we all know how important that is, and I just wanted to make like a very short video on the fact that I have found the perfect sunscreen that exists on this planet, at least for my skin type. But it is said that it's very oil resistant. मेरी oily skin है नहीं तो मैं वो टेस्ट नहीं कर सकती आपके लिए, लेकिन I can vouch for it कि अगर आपका oily skin भी है ना तो ये मैट फिनिश है. मुझे मैट लगता है जब मैं अपने फेस पे लगाती हूँ, and I'm pretty sure कि ये it will not let your sweat seep through it, which is a good thing about it. And even if though this is matte, it doesn't dry out your skin. वो मैं confirm बता रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं इसको use कर रही हूँ and I am a super dry skin family. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. I just wanted to make a super short video to just let you know the best option available for the sunscreen. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I promise that I'll try to be back soon. Till the next time, please take care and be happy and keep smiling. Bye. Namaste.